Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making Tigernut juice for the kids using Tigernut. I had to soak it so that it will soften, and I'll also be making use of dates. I also had to soak it so that it will also soften before I will now remove the seed inside. Then I will also use coconut. So this is my dates. As you can see, I had to soak it inside water so that it will soften before I will now break it and remove the seed inside. So they are the things I'll be using to make my Tigernut juice. So in making my waffles, I'll be using oat flour, as you can see, 1.5 cup. That is 375 ml. Then I'll be using 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So here I have my 1 cup of date syrup, margarine, and 1 cup of milk. I am making it for my kids. You can replace your milk with sweetened yogurt, or even your margarine, you can replace it with olive oil. To make it as healthy as much as possible for you as an adult. So I am trying to make this in the fastest way because I'm so tired. I came back from my culinary school graduation. So I'll be using Bushi mix blender to mix everything together. So in this blender, I just added my cups of flour, oat flour. Normally, you are supposed to mix your wet ingredients separate in a plate or in a bowl, then same with your dry ingredients. But because I'm so tired, I had to use my Bushi mix blender to mix everything together. So when doing yours, mix your wet ingredients separate, your milk, date syrup, everything separate, then your dry ingredients separate. So I just added my baking powder inside the oat flour, then followed by a pinch of salt. Normally, like I said, I'm supposed to mix this together in a bowl or in a plate, same with my wet ingredients before I can now mix them together. But since I have Bushi mix blender now, let me just do everything together. So the next one is to pour in my date syrup. I've already added flour, baking powder, salt. Now I added my date syrup. Yes, that is just what I added. Okay, the next one is my cup of milk. As you can see, that is just what I just added. Now I am about to blend them together, as you can see, with my Bushi mix blender. So the next one is to add in my butter, margarine rather, then pour in my eggs. Like I said, you are meant to mix your wet ingredients separate. But since I'm so tired, I had to mix everything using my Bushi mix blender. So as you can see, the next one is to make my waffles. You need to get this. If possible, get the bigger one. This one is too small. It is more like the tin made me to stay longer in the kitchen. So you have to grease your waffles pan, then pour in your paste. Cover it for some minutes, and ta-da! Our waffles is ready. Okay, that's how you keep doing it till you get the quantity you want. Okay, try and get the bigger one. Okay, so that is how you will keep doing it. Okay, till your waffles are ready, as you can see. Then you can add some toppings like chocolate chips, honey, but I'll be using honey only because that is what I have at home. So you have to sprinkle some honey on top so that they will enjoy it with it. It's already sweet, but I have to also sprinkle some honey on top. So onto the next one. This is my already washed Tigernut, dates and coconut. The dates, I had to remove the seed inside. So now I've washed it and I'm about to blend it using my Bushi mix blender. This blender is very strong, like kilo de. The thing crushed everything. So now I just added my clean water. Please, you use a clean water. Don't use your sink water if it's not clean. So the next one is to blend it using my Bushi mix blender. As you can see, this blender is very strong. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? I am done blending it. The next one is to sieve using my sieving net. You have to sieve it very well so that the milk will come out. I love making this at home for the kids. Yeah, it is very healthy, even though it's fattening. That's why I try to avoid it and stick to Zobo. But since that is what they requested, I had to make it for them. Okay, you have to make sure you make it with a clean water. This is actually why I don't like buying it outside, because you do not know the environment and the water they use in making theirs. So this is it. So the next one is to transfer it into my jug. As you can see, it's creamy, very sweet. Some do add banana, ginger, garlic, but I intentionally didn't use ginger and garlic to make mine because I have someone who has ulcer and it triggers the ulcer in him. So I had to only use just tiger nuts, dates, and coconuts to make mine. So when making yours, you can add ginger, garlic, and the rest. So as you can see, my tiger nut juice is ready, about to be enjoyed with our waffles. As you can see, it's so yummy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Bye.